Hello everyone and welcome back. I am Phil the True Tech Dad, and today I am super excited. I have finally got the Philips Hue light bulbs. I know I'm late to the game, but these things have been freaking expensive. These are the Generation 3 light bulbs, so I guess that's the newest ones that they have now. But basically you can do a whole bunch with these. You can set up a timer so the lights go on and off in your house. And also these are the white and color changing bulbs, so you can change them to different types of colors, different ambiance in your house. I'm excited, so I'm ready to unbox these and see what's in here and show you what's in here. So my knife here, my trusty unboxing knife, if I have it in my pocket. Yep, there it is. There we go. But here we go. Personal lighting system, personal wireless lighting. All right, so this right here is what's in here. All right, looks like you get in this kit. It's the starter kit. You get your hub. This is what the lights transmit to. So it transmits to your router, and that's how you can control it with your phone, and also your personal home assistants like your Amazon Echoes or your Google Home, and also your cell phone and tablets. So you get the hub, you get 3 light bulbs, and the power supply, and yeah, 3 light bulbs. They can go white, they can go blue, they can go orange, red, green, a color spectrum. So not black, but but it does all that, the whole rainbow color, whole rainbow coalition up in here. And this is what's in here. So basically it's your hub, and I'll take out one light bulb here. This is the light bulb. So as you can see, this is what it pretty much looks like. It fits into any light socket that you put it in. It's pretty heavy. It's not your normal light bulb. And let's see here, they're all the same. Then you got your power supply here. You also get an Ethernet cable here, and this is good because you can plug it into your router, and here you go. That's where you would plug your power supply here and your Ethernet cable, and then the Ethernet would plug into your router at home. So this is it. I'm excited. I have been wanting these for a long time, as I just said, but I'm really excited. When I got these in the mail, I was like, ah! But I'm gonna try these out and get these all set up. I'm gonna do a review for you. I'm also going to link at the bottom where I got these. And also the price point where they have it. It'll be linked there too. Give you a description of this. I'm gonna do a review on these and get these set up in the house and just show you how it works. And it's awesome. I'm really excited. Really excited. So thank you for watching my unboxing. I hope you liked it. If you did, please press that like button, and if you're new, please subscribe to this channel, and please leave some comments and share it. So I will see you later. I am Phil the True Tech Dad, and thanks for watching.